I'm excited. We are in my final round for the best Texas whiskey, period. Pretty excited about this. Let's go.
Impressive.
Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways, and we're on the finals, right? This is my final to choose my winner. After this, me and my buddies are gonna go live, and we're gonna put our winners against each other and see if we can come up with one winner. Can we decide which is the best Texas whiskey, period? Well, I'm excited to do my round. I want to get into this. So I am doing this with my buddies. I actually have your drinking buddy glass right here. I don't know what's in that glass, but I wanted to represent him. I have Bourbon Jerk and also Whiskey Shaman. I do know that there's a Garrison's in my final, so that's in here. Is it in this glass or not? I don't know. My wife poured these all out for me. I'm not going to waste a lot of time today. I'm pretty excited. I want to get into this, so let's do that. All right, I'm going to start from my left, go to my right, and go from there. I'm going to do this ones pretty quickly. Ooh, nice amber. These are all my winners, so I'm pretty excited about all of them. So let's get into that first one. Ooh, sweet. Smells like honey. If I were to guess, I think this is actually my Garrison's. Smells like that Texas funk, but I've been thrown off before, so. Ooh, nice Texas funk. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, into the next one in your drinking buddy's glass. A little bit lighter, a little bit sweeter, a little bit of honey, a little bit of citrus. So they all, on their last round, all chose the malt. I was the oddball out, and I chose the Garrison. Ooh, spicy. I like it. It's a little spicy, higher proof, sits on the tongue nicely. I like it. This one's gonna be super hard for me because these are all my winners, right? So we've already done rounds 1 through 4. If you have not seen those, I will leave a link to it right here. And that way you can look at those if you want to go check those out and see what I have in front of me. You'll actually know, because I'll be popping them up. The funny thing is, I should know what for I just know I have a Garrison Brothers because that was my last one. I don't remember what the other ones were, and my wife poured these out for me, so I don't remember what I'm drinking. Oh, that's good. I can't remember. Did I have a Still Austin move on? Because that tastes like Still Austin to me. Nice, solid pour. And I kind of like it that I don't remember what I have moving on, because it just makes it kind of this finishing this off as a blind for me as well. Yeah, that's a good solid pour. Right now, no clear-cut winner for me. I will be going through these again backwards, rinse my palate out, and taking the time I need to choose my winner. So besides the first one was the darkest, all the rest have been lighter. All of them stick to the glass nicely. Whew, that one has grape on it. Oh, I remember, did I say that before? That a grape one? There's so much goodness to this. Ooh, that was different. I like that. Has a little bit of grape on the tongue as well, as it just kind of sits there. I wonder if that's something that's carried on from this to add to this, because I don't remember that before, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, I'm going to pause, go through this, come up with my winners, and share that with you pretty quickly. Wow. That was fun. That was fun. Very hard like I thought it would be. And if you were to take a guess, what do you think it is? What do you think? Which one's my winner? Because you've seen the names pop up, right? Which one do you think that I chose this first place? I know Whiskey Shaman's going to think it's Garrison Brothers. I'm pretty sure there's a Still Austin in here. But all these were good pours. All these were good pours and harder to get through. So let's just get into it, right? So for me, my fourth place, and don't get me wrong, all these were good pours. I really enjoyed them, is D. For me, my third place, A, and I'm pretty sure that's my Garrison Brothers. And I just think because the Garrison Brothers, I think is like a 96 proof. It's lower proof. Has a lot of good Texas whiskey, a lot of good Texas funk to it. But when you started drinking these in between, there was just more flavor to it. Just a better overall tongue flavor. It just hit the palate better. And for today, so these were the two that I kept going through. Man, both of these, good. Actually, I think this one. Actually, I think I know what this one is now. That little pour there. I think that's actually the Balcones. If I remember, I don't remember what they are, but for some reason, I think that's Balcones. And if I were to guess, I think that's Still Austin, but I don't remember which Still Austin, if I had one that passed through. So, for me, my winner is B. B is my winner, making C second place. Well, there you have it. That's mine. That's going into the finals, and we're going to be doing a live for that. I'm very excited, very pumped for that. We're still working on the date. We still don't have a date, but as soon as we find out, we'll all let you know. I promise you, you'll know, because all of us will be talking about it. We interrupt this program for some breaking news. Yep, we finally decided on the date. We have a date for the live, and that's going to be Sunday, November 3rd. Time, we're thinking 7 p.m. Central Standard Time till 9. So let's see. Things could change, but that's the date. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. We don't know who we're going to do it on. We think we're going to be doing it on your Drinking Buddies channel just because he's the larger channel. But we'll see. We'll see what we end up doing, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thank you again for joining me on another journey down my bourbon rabbit hole, my Texas bourbon rabbit hole. It's been a fun one. It's been fun doing this series. I appreciate Drinking Buddy for coming up with it. The non-Texan coming out with the Texas blind. I love it. I love it. Thank you again, friends. Cheers.